emotional journey with Awrala and Ahmed, two characters whose heart-wrenching love story unfolds through the magic of AI scripting and image generation. Scroll Paint Palette. Immerse yourself in the captivating narrative crafted by artificial intelligence, as we showcase the power of AI Insight's mastery. Join us for a unique blend of technology and emotion, where every word and image is a product of artificial intelligence. Handshake heartbreak. Don't miss the chance to experience the intersection of technology and in the quaint village of Halane, nestled between rolling hills and lush landscapes, lived two souls destined for each other, Awrala and Ahmed. Their love story began as a tender bud in the gardens of their childhood, where laughter echoed through the narrow alleys, and the scent of blooming flowers filled the air. Awrala, with her radiant eyes and a heart as pure as the crystal-clear springs that flowed nearby, caught the gaze of Ahmed, a young man known for his kindness and courage. Their families, both respected and decent, approved of the blossoming connection between the two. As the seasons changed, so did the intensity of Awrala and Ahmed's love. They shared dreams under the moonlit skies and whispered promises of a future entwined forever. Halane became a haven for their love, a sanctuary where their hearts beat in harmony. However, destiny had a darker plan in store. One fateful day, a notorious armed gang led by a shadowy figure known as Bar the Ruthless descended upon Halane like a storm of chaos. The once peaceful village was plunged into fear and despair. Bar, driven by greed and power, sought to wreak havoc and claim what he desired. In the chaos that ensued, Bar's gang kidnapped Awrala, tearing her away from the arms of her family and the love of Ahmed. The village mourned as hope dwindled, and despair clung to the hearts of those who loved her. But Ahmed, fueled by a love that refused to waver, emerged as a beacon of courage. With a determination that burned brighter than the sun, he embarked on a perilous journey to rescue his beloved Awrala from the clutches of Bar the Ruthless. Through dense forests and treacherous terrain, Ahmed confronted the darkness that threatened to engulf their love. The journey tested his resilience, but love proved to be an unyielding force. In the heart of adversity, Ahmed faced Bar in a fierce confrontation, a clash between good and evil that echoed through the valleys. With bravery as his shield and love as his sword, Ahmed triumphed over Bar and his gang. The village rejoiced as Awrala was rescued, and the reunited lovers embraced under the warm embrace of the setting sun. Halane, once shrouded in darkness, emerged into a new dawn. The village celebrated the victory of love over evil, and the bond between Awrala and Ahmed became a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. In the small village of Halane, where love had triumphed against all odds. Awrala and Ahmed's story became a timeless tale of bravery, resilience, and the enduring power of love. They walked hand in hand, their footsteps leaving imprints of hope for generations to come, creating a legacy that would forever be whispered in the winds that swept through Halane.